Remember the older days when we have just one AirPods, the Apple AirPods, and that was also very expensive. But thankfully, right now the situation has completely changed. We have now entered an era of the Xiaomi and the Realme. So they have provided the much more affordable wireless buds like Realme buds and Xiaomi earbuds at the very basic price of 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. In this video, we are going to unbox one of such wireless AirPods from the Boat, and they call this a Boat wireless AirDopes 171. Hey guys, this is Parth, and if you are watching me first time, then please do consider subscribing this channel. Let's now get started. So this is the box itself. These are AirPods available in the three different colors: the mysterious blue, the active black, and the cool gray. And I have opted for the mysterious blue color. So this is the box itself, and in the box the price quoted here is the 6,000 rupees. But this is available at the around 1,800 rupees on the Amazon. And during this great Indian sale, you can get even at a lowest price. So the key highlights on the box is written that this earphone is claimed to have IPX4 water resistance, so we can use it in the slightest of the range. So this is the charging case itself, and it is a magnetically locked charging case. So when you put it the earphones while not using it, it will get automatically charged. So you have to only charge the charging case here. So now let's have a look at the AirDopes itself. This is the set of AirDopes, and it looks very good in the mysterious blue color. There is a branding of a boat, and the finish is very good considering the price point of 1,800 rupees. So there is a boat branding, and this is the ear tips that they have provided with the boat AirDopes 171. So there are two extra ear tips, and one is pre-applied on the AirDopes itself. So this is the micro USB charging cable that provided with this AirDopes. So this comes with the micro USB charging cable, and it will be used to charging this case. This AirDopes does come with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. So this is a very good thing considering this is the budget AirDopes from Boat. So we will have to test the connectivity and how long it can connect up to, how long is the range of this Bluetooth connectivity. Boat claims that this earphone, once fully charged, can be used up to 3 hours. So we have to test this and see this without charging case, how much long the battery life is of this Boat AirDopes 171. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. I will be posting the review of this Boat AirDopes 171 once I will be completing the testing. So stay tuned for that, and do subscribe to this channel again, and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.